Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to multiply 2 digits times 2 digits using the area model. So let's do 42 times 63. The first thing we do is make a square box and divide it into 4 sections. And we're going to put 42 in expanded form across the top, and we're going to multiply by 63 expanded form down the side. So the way most of us learn the traditional method, we do 3 times 2 is 6, and then 3 times 4 is 12. And if you're like most of us, including myself, our teacher probably said, and then when you come over here to do the next set of multiplying problems, you have to put a 0 here to hold the place. Well, that can be confusing. Why do I put a 0 there? Why do I need to remember that? Most of us didn't understand that it's because you're actually in the tens place now. And if I don't put a 0 here, I'm going to get the answer wrong because I'm multiplying by 10. But when I do this, 6 times 2, I say 6 times 2 instead of 60 times 2. I'm not really thinking that 6 times 2 is 12. I actually just did 60 times 2 is 120. And that's where the meaning got lost back when we learned this many years ago. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Well, that's really 60 times 40 is 2,400, and we carried a 100 to make 2,500. We kind of were just taught the method of how to get the answer and didn't really understand the meaning of the numbers or what we were doing. So kids these days start out using this area model. This box is 60 times 40. That's this problem over here that I did last. And this problem is 60 times 2 because the area of this square will be a height of 60 times 2 across the top. And this one is 3 on the side times 40 length. And this square is going to be my smallest number. It's 3 on the side times 2 across. So I know that 6 times 4 is 24, but it's 2 groups of 10, so I add 2 zeros. 6 times 2 is 12. It's really 60 times 2. That's 120. I know 3 times 4 is 12, but it's really 40 times 3, so that's 120. And 3 times 2 is 6. And then, so I have partial products. I now just need to add them up. Well, I know 120 and 120. I can kind of take a shortcut there. Is 246. I kind of can add some of them mentally and take a little shortcut. So I got the same answer, and this might have taken longer, but it really helps students understand that when you come over here and you're doing 4 multiplying problems in one, okay, 2 times 3 was this box, the smallest. And then when we did 3 times 40, that was this box. And look here. If I added those 2 partial products up, that's what I get here when I do this part of the problem. Then, when I come back over here to the 6, and I'm doing 60 times 2 and 60 times 4, that's this part of the problem, which is this answer. 2,400 plus 120 together is this. And then we add it to get the final product. So over here, you're multiplying and kind of adding when you carry all at the same time. Over here, you're getting your 4 partial products, and then you add at the end. Once students have a firm grasp of this, then we will move on to learning this, and it makes more sense. But we start here, and then we build on it. I hope that helps. Just ask if you have questions. Thanks for watching.